Hey guys, it's Travis with SoundCube, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. We have here in the box an HDS 2.108. This is the HDS 2.108. Has nice screen stitching. Is great for ported and sealed applications. Has 16 gauge direct leads. Works well underneath truck seats. It has a 2.5 inch coil. And it has multiple brothers in a 10 inch, 12 inch, 15 inch, all at the most affordable price, starting at $105. Can I mention like the free shipping in the lower 48 states? Or for more information, head over to soundcube.com, follow us on all of our social media platforms, and thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you on the next one.